Have you ever, wished you had this super smart research assistant right there in your WhatsApp chats? Like, forget switching apps all the time. Today, we're diving into Perplexity AI on WhatsApp. We're looking at how this pretty powerful tool brings instant answers, image generation, even daily news summaries directly to your fingertips. It feels like a real game changer for getting info fast, and we'll show you exactly how it works. Now, Perplexity AI itself, it's already made a name as a powerful sort of conversational search engine, right? It's not just another Google or ChatGPT alternative. But what seems really groundbreaking now is this deep integration into messaging apps, specifically WhatsApp. It's more than just Q&A. It's interactive, handles images, the whole deal.
Yeah. Exactly. And what's truly, I think, revolutionary here is how it just removes the friction. Think about it, you're in a chat, maybe with friends or colleagues, and boom, a question pops up. Instead of breaking your flow, opening a browser, finding another app, you just ask Perplexity right there. It essentially turns your messaging app into this dynamic learning space, an immediate way to get informed without missing a beat.
That sounds like a huge step up in just, convenience and access. So how easy is it for someone listening to get this set up in their WhatsApp?
Oh, it's remarkably simple. They've really designed it for instant access. You basically just scan a QR code with your phone. Often you can even do that right from inside WhatsApp itself. And the second you scan it, bam, a new chat opens up with the Perplexity AI assistant. It's ready to go.
That quick.
That quick. And worth mentioning, it's similar on Telegram too, or even on X, Twitter. You could just tag @AskPerplexity in a post for a quick answer.
Okay, got it. So once you've scanned the code, you're in the chat. What are the main things it tells you it can do? What are those core features?
Right. So it lays out its main functions pretty clearly. First, obviously, ask it anything. You get quick, accurate answers based on, up-to-date web info. It brings the web search right to you. Second, and this is pretty cool, you can generate and even modify images directly in the chat.
Oh, wow. Like ChatGPT image generation, but without leaving WhatsApp.
Exactly. So if you're brainstorming or need a visual quick, you just ask. Third, it handles voice messages. You can send it a voice note, and it'll actually reply with an AI voice. Plus, it gives you a transcript of your original voice note, too.
The voice interaction is interesting. And the image part, that removes a big step. What about, customizing it? Language? Getting regular updates?
Yep. Personalization is key. You can easily tell it your preferred language. For instance, you just type something like, from now on, speak to me only in English or French or whatever you need.
Simple command.
Very simple. And another feature people seem to like is the automatic daily news summary. You can opt in, and it sends you a briefing at the start of each day.
Like a personalized news digest right in your chat.
Precisely. Tailored to things it learns you're interested in, delivered passively.
So when we step back and look at this AI, Perplexity, moving so smoothly into our messaging apps, what's the bigger picture here? What does it mean for us, especially as, learners?
Well, I think what's really exciting is how it just tears down the barriers to getting information. It's not just about convenience, though that's huge. It's really about fostering this kind of continuous, almost on-demand learning. By putting such a powerful AI right into the communication tool you use most, it fundamentally changes that reflex for seeking knowledge, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You're not just chatting anymore. You're interacting with this vast knowledge base, creating stuff, processing info in real time. It turns passive messaging into, an active learning hub. It sort of makes you more efficient and informed almost by default.
Yeah. That really is a powerful shift. It kind of challenges what we even think a messaging app is for. So the thought maybe to leave our listeners with is, how might this kind of embedded AI change your own habits, your own way of finding information and learning day to day? Something to think about.
You've been listening to The Deep Dive, brought to you by the Podcast de Philippe. If you found this deep dive valuable, please do help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Just hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in.